Welcome to this brief introduction to Zotero, produced by the Simulating History Lab at Brock University. Zotero is a citation management system that allows you to collect, edit, and export citations into word processing programs. To begin using Zotero, visit zotero.org and download either the Firefox add-on or the standalone beta. Both function in the same way. You will need to register for Zotero to make use of all the features. Once you have downloaded Zotero and signed up, you can access Zotero in your browser by clicking the icon at the bottom right. The Zotero program will appear at the bottom of your screen. On the left is a list of the library and the collections within it. The middle shows individual items, and the right panel shows citation information. To add an item to Zotero, there are a few options. First, check the address bar for a small icon that means the website has provided the citation information. If it shows, clicking it will automatically add the item to your current library. If the icon is not there, but you have the ISBN of your item, you can use the magic identifier by typing or pasting the code. The item should be added automatically. If the item does not have an icon in the address bar or an ISBN number, you can use the button to create an item from the current page. The program will then find as much information as it can, and you can edit the information in the right side panel. If the item does not exist on the internet, such as an interview you have conducted, you can add the item yourself by choosing the type from the drop-down menu and inputting the information manually. Because Zotero indexes new items, you can search your library for terms. Additionally, you can add keywords and notes to the items to make them more useful. Zotero allows you to export citations to word processors and formats the citation for you. Simply drag and drop the item to create an in-text citation. If you are using Word, there exists a plugin that will allow you to use a quick button to insert the citation. The plugin can be found by going to Zotero Preferences, the Site tab, and then downloading the plugin. To use the Word plugin, click the Import Citation button, choose the collection from the left, pick the item on the right, type in the page numbers, and click OK. The citation will be added as a footnote in the Word document. Once you have finished inserting all the citations in Word, simply click the Import Bibliography button. All the sources used in your paper will be added and formatted automatically. To choose the citation format, go to Zotero Preferences and the Export tab, where you can pick the style that it uses. To use Zotero with Scrivener, make sure to choose the output format that does not include a bibliography. Create a footnote in Scrivener and drag the item from Zotero. When you have finished the document, change the output format to include the bibliography and drag all your sources into the main body of the text. Zotero automatically formats the citations depending on which option you choose for exporting citations. As mentioned before, the Zotero standalone functions exactly like the Firefox version, but can be linked to other browsers as well. This concludes our brief tutorial on using Zotero.